A good day to all, ma'am, sir. I'm Sherwin Ruby from Wawa, Batangas City. I'm 18 years old. I study at Batangas State University, located at Alanghilang, Batangas City. Taking course Bachelor of Industrial Technology, major in Mechanical Technology. Alanghilang campus is the one who offered courses under College of Industrial Technology. My parents are Domingo Ruby and Perlita Ruby. My father's occupation is a tricycle driver, and my mother's occupation is a fish vendor. I have one sister and one brother. They live in Wawa, Batangas City. I know how to operate lathe machine, and also I know how to weld according to the instruction. I am outstand from other students because I am a hardworking person, kind, industrious, responsible, and especially faith in God. My hobbies are playing basketball with my friends, and playing chess, and performing different activities. Thank you.